Earlier this week, I watched a video of Queen Rania, the Queen of Jordan, with Christiane Amanpour on CNN. I have a lot to discuss about that video. I disagreed with so much of what Queen Rania said. But there's one specific point I want to address. Queen Rania said that all Palestinian mothers love their children. I'm sure that's true. Here's Queen Rania.
I just want to remind the world that Palestinian mothers love their children just as much as any other mother in the world. And for them to have to go through this is just unbelievable.
I want you to understand how complicated this conflict is. I want you to understand that it's impossible to make peace while there's an element of Palestinian society that wants to murder and torture and brutally assault Israelis the way Hamas did on October 7th. I want you to learn more, ask tough questions. When you see students at university campuses, when you see protests on the streets of the United States or elsewhere around the world where people are saying intifada, understand what intifada means. Intifada means killing Jews. Intifada means killing Israelis. Intifada means rising up and trying to destroy the state of Israel. When you see movements that scream out Palestinian resistance, ask yourself what that really means. It means you're supporting terrorism against Israel. It means you're supporting what happened on October 7th. I don't want to tell you that this represents all of Palestinian society. It surely does not. But there is a large element of Palestinian society, nobody really knows how much of Palestinian society, that really wants to do to Israel, to the Jews, what happened on October 7th. This real conversation between a Palestinian terrorist and his family represents that certain segment of Palestinian society. Folks, please dig deeper, learn more. Understand how extraordinarily complicated this conflict is. Understand that there's an element of society that is not only unwilling to make peace, but willing to commit barbaric acts in order to stop any form of peace. Please don't listen to slogans. Don't listen to the people who are shouting intifada. Don't listen to the propagandists who are claiming that peace is so easy if only there'd be a two-state solution. Understand from this phone conversation between a bloodthirsty Palestinian terrorist who wants to murder and torture and do all sorts of horrific things to Jews, to Israelis, that this is far more complicated than you would believe. Thank you.
افتح الواتس تبعه قول له وام شوف كيف القتلى شوف كيف قتلت بيدي يابا ابنك قتل يهود هاي دخلوا فلسطين يابا الله اكبر ربنا يحميك يا رب ربنا يحميك يابا ربنا يحميك يابا كلمك من جوال يهوديه قتلتها وقتلت جوزها الله اكبر الله اكبر ولله الحمد الله اكبر ولله الحمد يابا افتح الواتس شوف كيف قتلت يابا